Hello everyone. In today's class, we will learn about the main parts of our skeletal system, which are skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, and girdles. All these parts together forms a skeletal system. Now, first, let us begin with the skull. Do you all know what is a skull? Tap your head. You feel a hard structure. It is a skull. Skull is a bony structure of the head that protects and surrounds the brain. It also gives the head its shape. Human skull is made up of 22 bones. The round part of the skull, which you can see here, is called as cranium, which holds the brain, and this is made up of 8 bones. The other parts, that is the face and the lower jaw, consist of 14 bones. All these 22 bones of the skull are connected, that is, they are interlocked with each other, which makes the skull immovable. You cannot move the skull except the lower jaw. Whenever you are speaking or eating, you can move only your lower jaw bone. There are 3 tiny bones present in each ear, and one single bone is present in the throat. When you touch your face, you can feel the presence of bone on the face. So the skull is the bony framework which protects the brain and other organs such as eyes, ears, and nose. Now let us learn about the rib cage. Rib cage or a chest. It is a cage-like structure. It is made up of a narrow and curved bones. It consists of 25 bones, that is, it has 12 pairs of bones or 12 sets of bones, and one breastbone is present. When you look into the diagram, here you can see in the middle the presence of the breastbone or a sternum. It is a breastbone or a sternum. These are the ribs which are narrow and curved. This breastbone is connected to the backbone, which you can see here. When you look into the diagram, you can find that the last 2 sets of the ribs are not connected to this sternum or a breastbone, and these last 2 sets of ribs are called as an floating ribs, as they are not connected or attached to the breastbone. The 10 pairs of ribs are attached to the breastbone at the front and to the backbone at the back, and the 2 bones are or the ribs are floating ribs. The 22 or 24 bones forms a cage-like structure which helps in protecting the soft internal organs like heart and lungs. The next part is backbone. It is also known as spine or a vertebral column. Backbone is attached to our skull. It is long, bony structure. So you can see here it is a long, bony structure that provides support for the body. This backbone is made up of 33 small bones called as vertebrae, and these bones, that is vertebrae, makes up our backbone, and this vertebrae are called as vertebral column. This vertebrae that is the bones of the backbone, are arranged on each other with the help of disc. This disc hold the bones together and allows a slight movement. As the backbone has got movable joint and allows the backbone to bend or twist. It protects the delicate part called as spinal cord. Vertebral column is a hollow ring-like structure. Like you can see here, it is hollow ring-like structure in which number of nerves will be running, and these nerves are called as an spinal cord. Its function is to help in transferring the information or message between the brain and the body.